How to log in to CMC Markets account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for CMC Markets Login. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. You will then be led to the login page of CMC, so go ahead and select the account you want to log into from the provided options. I will select Spread Betting Account. Once the login portal opens up, enter your login credentials, that is your email address and your password. Further, tap on the login button. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option, and if you want the device to remember your user ID, tap on the Remember Me checkbox. And now, if you entered the login credentials correctly, you will be logged in successfully. So, this is how you can log in to CMC Markets account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.